Hello everyone. Question is a company maintains an Amazon Redshift provisioned cluster that the company uses for extract, transform and load ETL operations to support critical analysis tasks. A sales team within the company maintains a Redshift cluster that the sales team uses for business intelligence BI tasks. The sales team recently requested access to the data that is in the ETL Redshift cluster so the team can perform weekly summary analysis tasks. The sales team needs to join data from the ETL cluster with data that is in sales team's BI cluster. The company needs a solution that will share the ETL cluster data with the sales team without interrupting the critical analysis tasks. The solution must minimize uses of the computing resources of the ETL cluster. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Set up the sales team BI cluster as a consumer of the ETL cluster by using Redshift data sharing. Option B. Create materialized views based on the sales team's requirements. Grant the sales team direct access to the ETL cluster. Option C. Create database views based on the sales team's requirements. Grant the sales team direct access to the ETL cluster. Option D. Upload a copy of the data from the ETL cluster to an Amazon S3 bucket every week. Create an Amazon Redshift spectrum table based on the content of the ETL cluster. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a data engineer needs to join data from multiple sources to perform a one-time analysis job. The data is stored in Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon RDS, Amazon Redshift, and Amazon S3. Which solution will meet this requirement most cost effectively? Option A. Use an Amazon EMR provisioned cluster to read from all sources. Use Apache Spark to join the data and perform the analysis. Option B. Copy the data from DynamoDB, Amazon RDS, and Amazon Redshift into Amazon S3. Run Amazon Athena queries directly on the S3 files. Option C. Use Amazon Athena federated query to join the data from all data sources. Option D. Use Redshift Spectrum to query data from DynamoDB, Amazon RDS, and Amazon S3 directly from Redshift. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company is planning to use a provisioned Amazon EMR cluster that runs Apache Spark jobs to perform big data analysis. The company requires high reliability. A big data team must follow best practices for running cost optimized and long running workloads on Amazon EMR. The team must find a solution that will maintain the company's current level of performance. Which combination of resources will meet these requirements most cost effectively? Choose two options. Option A. Use Adobe Distributed File System HDFS as a persistent data store. Option B. Use Amazon S3 as a persistent data store. Option C. Use x86 based instances for core nodes and task nodes. Option D. Use Graviton instances for core nodes and task nodes. Option E. Use Spot instances for all primary nodes. Correct answer is option B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.